Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to download and install the LiveNetTV app on your Amazon Fire Stick in 2025. The whole process is actually pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you need to get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me. So we just go to a search bar on your Fire Stick, open the search and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Just click on it, and here is this orange app, which you need to get to your Fire Stick. But then after you actually got downloader, it's not ready to use yet, because you still have to set it up. So we just go to the settings on your Fire Stick, open My Fire TV, and then from here you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just need to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and then you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging. Then you go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and there's the downloader. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. And now we just go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate downloader, and let's open it up now. And now here, what you have to do next is open the search bar and just start entering a code, which will be 504524. So once again, 504524. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. Then this web page will open, and what you have to do in here is scroll down a bit and click on download for Amazon Fire TV. So click on it and the download of LiveNetTV to your Firestick will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you just click install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed. And then don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And then when you go back to a list of apps on your device, which is right here, you'll open it, and then here at the bottom you will finally see the LiveNetTV app. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.